Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Wix versus Fram oil filters. We will delve into their core differences, examining everything from filtration efficiency to construction materials. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice that best protects your engine. We aim to provide clear insights into which filter might be the better fit for your vehicle's specific needs and your maintenance philosophy. When it comes to filtration, Wix often utilizes a synthetic blend media designed to capture a wider range of contaminants, including particles as small as 10 to 12 microns. Fram, on the other hand, commonly uses a cellulose media, which is effective for standard oil change intervals, typically targeting particles around 20 to 25 microns. This difference significantly impacts engine cleanliness over time. Examining construction, Wix filters are generally known for their robust build, featuring thicker steel casings and durable internal components. They often incorporate a silicone anti-drain back valve, which maintains flexibility and prevents dry starts. Fram filters, while functional, sometimes use thinner casings and can feature cardboard-like end caps, with nitrile anti-drain back valves that may harden over extended periods, potentially affecting performance. The bypass valve is another key differentiator. Wix frequently uses metal bypass valves, ensuring reliable oil flow under various conditions. Fram, however, might employ plastic bypass valves, which could be less resilient under extreme pressure. Ultimately, Wix filters typically represent a premium investment for enhanced engine protection, while Fram offers a more economical choice for regular, routine maintenance, balancing cost with adequate performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.